Hi all and welcome back to my Python series. So we are discussing the MCQs to be expected in the exam. So these are the practice questions. So if you go through these questions and such kind of questions from your textbook, I don't think you'll not get the good marks. So move towards the video, actual video. So here there are some questions on MCQs, and today I'm going to discuss a range function in Python. So as you know, a range function is the function which generates the value in the sequence, where this is you know greater or equal, where this is uh, means the gist of this discussion is when you apply a range. The range function requires mainly two operators. One is starting from, and these two operands. One is the start value, and the second one is the last value. But there is a difference. It starts with the first operand, but will go up to the last operand minus 1 by default. And if we do not include first and last operands, and only we give single value, it means the start value begins from 0 and the end value ends with the number or the value minus 1. And the third type of syntax or the format of range is range start value, comma, the ending value, comma, the step value. In that step value, the function starts with the initial value, and the next value is increased or decreased by the gap we mentioned. So over here, look at this question where we have to find the sequence, and there in range only one integer is given. So start value and end value plus step value is not given. So step values by default is +1. So in the first question, which sequence of the values will be generated by the function called range 5. So range is a function, and there is no start value or there is no ending value and there is no step value, and that is why the start value is 0, the end value is 5, and step value is +1, and that is why the end value should be uh, the value minus 1, whichever we have mentioned here. So the correct answer of this question should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, because there is no start value, there is no end value. So it will start with 0 and will go up to the number minus 1. So this is the correct answer. Now the next question is, with the following values be generated by function called range 1 to 5. So range 1 to 5 means we'll have to start with 1, and we'll have to go up to the ending value minus 1. So it should be 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the expected answer. And the next question is, and if you want to look at or verify the answer, we can see it here. Range 1 to 5, if I run this, it will not give you any output. It'll print range 1 to 5. So I'll have to apply another expression. So I'll apply another function, another expression, like for suppose for I in range 1 to 5 colon, and simply I'm printing I, print I. So it gives 1 to 4. So there are the very starting from 1, and it will go till the last value of this end value minus 1. So this should be the answer. 1 2 3 4 is the correct answer. Now the next question is, which of the following which sequence of the values will be generated by function call range 2 comma 10 comma 3. So the starting value is 2, and we'll have to go up till 10, but the step should be 3. So after 2, the next value should be the gap of 3. So 2 3 4 and 5. So the next value should be 5, and the next value after 5, this should be, because this is the gap of 3. So here it should be 2 5 and 8. And if you want to check, you can also check through collab to see here. Two 10 comma 3 and press enter. So it will give you 2 5 and 8. So the correct answer is 2 5 and 8. The next question is, which of the sequence of values will be generated by the function called range 10 1 and minus 4? So it means the first value you should print is 10, and the last value is 1. So 10 is the first value, then 10 minus 4 is 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So first option is the correct option. Yes, it is. 10 6 and 2 is the correct option. And if you want to see, then we can verify it using 10 comma 1 comma minus 4. So it will give you the answer 10 6 and 2. So this is verified here that way. And the next question is, which sequence of the values will be generated by the function called range 1 comma 2? So we'll have to start with 1 and we'll go up to 2 minus 1, that is 1 only, and so it will generate only 1. Let's see. from my side, this first option is the correct option. Still, we can check it out. The first option is correct. So we can check it out through collab. 1, 2. Press enter, so it will give you only 1. So this way the answer is 1 only. So this is how we can evaluate the range function. Hope you understood the concept, and if you understood the concept, kindly share it with your friends and you also practice. So we'll meet in the next video with some more MCQs and functions. Till then, bye bye.